Okay, it's January the 18th, Sunday, and we're back here on Nick's lawn. Why are we here this early? Well, there's a reason. It's looking absolutely fantastic. I've walked on it, give it a little blow up the back there, and we've got this little lawn over here behind me. So we've given that a good blow. And why are we here? Because you need to plan ahead. So I'm saying to you guys, start thinking about what your lawn needs now. So we're here, we're in real good shape, as you can see. I'm taking you over the lawn now. We're in incredible shape, best shape we've ever been in, if I'm honest. So we're going to be looking at a nice lawn very soon. We're here to put a granular feed out, the Kiss My Grass autumn feed, with the magnesium and iron in. Why do we need to put a feed out already? Because we want to get some nutrients into the soil. Okay, the grass is a little bit dormant, but we're preventing disease, and we're going to be looking after the root zone. So we're going to start pushing it, start waking it up early. It is absolutely incredible, and it's the best we've ever done. It's 3 years old. So you need to start planning. I suggest putting a feed out before, if I'm honest, because last year, spring 2025, the lawns were really slow. Why were they slow? Because so much rainfall flushed all the nutrients beyond the root zone, so there was no uptake. So little tip for you, do a granular feed before you work. So maybe wait a bit. I'm going early because I need to, but I think you can get this work done now. We've been looking after this all winter, and as you can see, it's actually incredible. Could do with a little mow as soon as it's dry enough. It's better to be proactive than reactive. So what I would suggest to you is get the feed on, get the core aeration done if you need to. If you don't need to, then don't do it. Because if you think about it, when you're pulling the cores out, you are ejecting the ryegrass, and that's gone for good. So I'm not too sure about that. I might change it up a little bit this year. There's a lot of things happening this year, a lot to do, a lot to organise. We've been applying this lawn RMV fertilizer over the winter, and it's been a massive improvement. So yeah, if you put your granules down now and get that into the soil, you won't be having to have problems scarifying it out or power raking. So it's a good idea. My tip is get the granules out now, give it a little go, look after it over winter. Look how good it is. It's just amazing. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, we're going to flick some granules out and have a little chat when I come back. So I know that covers 200 square metres, and that's what I've got out the front here. So job's a good one. I'm going to set the spreader just on gentle, just about getting a small feed out here, just to give it that little push start waking up this lawn. It's looking really well, so excited. Come on 2026. So this lawn here is actual proof. January the 18th, 2026 is proof that if you do look after it over the winter, it's going to reward you coming into spring. So we've got the granules in, enough for 200 square metres, which is what I've got out here, and we give this a little flick out, and we've blown everything's good. Grass is long, give it a mow in a couple of weeks possibly. Just take tips off. So this has got all that iron and magnesium in with it, along with the NPK of 10. I don't know what the others are, but it's a nitrogen of 10, so it's a lower nitrogen because we don't want to push it too hard. But yeah, exciting things to come on this channel in 2026. We've got a lot going on. It's going to be a tough year, but I'm going to make it my year this year. It's got to be my year, right? We keep telling ourselves this, but this is my year. So I've been sponsoring this one and doing all the lawn care over the winter. Haven't stopped. I've been spraying it with my MV fertilizer, unlocking the land with humic and fulvic acid, just to keep everything ticking along nicely. And this is proof. As you can see, this is actual proof. So let's get these granules out around the edge, and I'll come back to you.
Spent too much money on a college degree, a piece of paper that's got no guarantees, but it's okay, it's a new day, and there's a million different ways to win as long as I play. If there's a chance, then you know I'll take it, both hands on the dreams we're chasing, stand where there is no pavement, cards on the table.
Okay, so that's the granules out. It's okay to do so. The weather app's all over the place. The Met Office says no rain. The other app, the other weather app on the phone, the one that comes with an iPhone, says rain all week. So if you've got a little dry period, get your granules out and you have a good looking lawn. Don't think you can't work now. Just be mindful of too much rainfall. Don't want to flush it through. I guarantee you now, your soil will be low in nutrients. So that's a little replenish out on the lawn, and I'll come back here in a few weeks and I'll show you. It's really incredible. So we've never had the lawn looking this good. It's taken 3.5 years to get here, but we are finally here. And I'm really happy. What do you guys think? We've had very, very little dieback. And I think that's because it's taken us 3 years of nurturing the soil, getting the soil to make it so it's self-sustainable. That's what we've managed to achieve here, and I'm really happy. So moving forward, I will be doing this for other people if they choose to do so, right? Because there is a level, there's a bronze, silver, gold. This is a platinum, that's for sure. So yeah, really happy. Think what you're doing, start planning. Am I scarifying? Do I have to overseed? Is it a patch repair? Think about what you're doing, and you'll be good. You'll all be good. Right, 2026 is going to be a corker. It's my year. Hopefully it's your year too. So, oh, just before I let you go, that's a small little lawn. It's not too bad. Some thinning in over there, but we expect that. It's in the corner, no airflow. Trees not the trees. The leaves congregate there a little bit too long. So, yeah, it's all clean now. Look after your soil. That's what you need to do. See you very soon at the next lawn. Remember, we've got a lot of lawns this year, and let's hope we all have a good 2026. Take care, guys. Bye for now.